Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm Muriel Bowser. I'm joined today by members of the faith community of Washington, D.C., and members of my public safety team. Today, we convened a discussion about how the faith community and the government can work together to make Washington, D.C. More safe. We specifically talked about hate crime and speech in our city. We talked about active shooter incidents, and we talked about gun violence in our city. We leave knowing, the faith community knowing, that there will be an inaugural meeting tonight with our Homeland Security agency to talk specifically about federal funds available for church and synagogue safety, and with an idea of building on the work that we've done together around affordable housing, to also talk about how we can work together for trauma-informed interventions and services with DC residents. So that's where we are, and I'm happy to answer a few questions.
Mayor, were there any concrete, tangible steps taken in this luncheon today that may be new for folks out there, and something new that you all are trying to do to get a handle on the gun violence and or hate crime?
Well, I just mentioned that we're going to be fleshing out an idea, and we'll come back to those assembled to see if we can develop partnerships around trauma-informed services in the district that we can partner together in.
What role do faith leaders play in this fight? I want to kind of specifically talk about the gun violence problem. Is there more that needs to be done outside of the churches, in these communities, on the streets, to really get a handle on the problem?
Well, we attack any level of violence in our city with a whole spectrum of activities, starting with law enforcement and talking about opportunity and mental health interventions. And I think that the churches are along that spectrum because they're in the community, they're trusted leaders in the community, and they work hand in hand with families, oftentimes when they are very vulnerable.
I'm the only reporter here, I guess.
Okay.
What did you hear from church leaders? What did they say that they need from you, or perhaps Chief Newsham, to really have an even greater impact on the community?
Well, I think we heard loud and clear from the faith community that they're here, they're ready to help, and when we can come to them with specific asks, that's when they can be most effective, and so that's what we'll do. Okay, thank you. Thank you.